Yeah, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Olayinka Akanji. As usual, I'll be presenting just about 5 to 7 minutes of about 12 to 13 slide PowerPoint presentation on ETL techniques. That's extract, transform, load techniques. I have an assignment to present for the third week, assignment 3.3. On the first slide, I have the heading EDM 3 assignment 3.3 ETL Technique. I have my name on the PowerPoint slide, Olayinka Akanji, Full Sail University. Today is June 19, 2022. Then I'll quickly move to the second slide. The first that I have is the proposed ETL modeling process. So, proposed the modeling process will be to the first thing to draw the high level plan. It's require quite a lot of things. The second thing I will be doing will choose an ETL tool that the plan is on ground, and the third will be to develop a default strategy. And the fourth thing is I have to develop a drill down by the target table. Or do a drill down. Then after then populate the dimension table with historical data. 6, will perform the fact table strict load. The 7 will be the dimension table incremental processing. The number 8, 10 things I'll be doing, fact table incremental processing. Then now will be aggregate table and OLAP loads. And the last but not the least is the ETL system and operation automation. That's going live. So, supported with a diagram after the initial draw the high level plan. See a diagram to support. Yes. Slide 4 is talking about the draft design concepts for Bank of America proposed dimension model. Wrote out some things about dimensional modeling. That's an iterative design process requiring the cooperative efforts. Blah, 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 blah. Talk about the detailed modeling process drill down into definition sources, relationship, data quality problems, and require information for each table. We'll talk about the hierarchy. Then I'll talk about the process. We start from the preparation, high-level dimensional model, and the third one in the hierarchy will be detailed dimensional model development. That's why you iterate tests, come back to the model and review, and go ahead and validate before the final stage, which is the final design documentation. That's how to do a dimensional modeling. That's what we'll be doing for Bank of America, which happens to be my own case study. That will take me to slide 6. Slide 6, I'll be talking about requirement gathering techniques. I said business requirement gathering is a phase that is critical to the success of any project, whether of a client of your team or of my team. I said, need to be fleshed out and documented. It's an iterative process with much communication taking place between stakeholders, that is all the party involved, including the end users and the project team. So these are some of the things that we need to do If you are gathering requirement, number one, you got to brainstorm. Number two, you got to document analysis. So this continues to slide 3. You got to create a focus group. So which is a gathering of people who are representative of the users or customers of a product to get the feedback to know what's going on. So what you want to do, does your business meet their needs? So you're gonna interview people. Interview people. Uh, we're gonna use case basically. This case is basically a story that describes how the process works. Use case are distilled later into the more specific detailed requirements. Now we're going to do a requirement workshop. There's going to be a survey. We need to do a survey. Leverage modeling tool. So modeling tools. So modeling tools are aimed at facilitating the work of analysts and data engineering, transforming data and modeling within the data warehouse. Talk about its usefulness and how you can leverage on it. Then I recommend it particular for usage. Then I'll put the link here, which is DBT. Yeah, I recommend DBT. I said DBT is one of the best industrial software, and I recommend its usage. The next is the leveraging data providing. Also talk about that. And I've recommended a link for a vendor. Shall use async profiler or Java flight recorder by IntelliJ IDE. Then I'll talk about what's the database storage, database administration, talk about data governance, and then how the references are all here. Thank you for your rapt attention. God bless you all. So that is it.